Hey folks, welcome back to Wisconsin Family. We're here at the office of Dr. Jay Hazen, Dentistry for Madison over on West Washington Avenue. We're going to learn a little bit about cosmetic dentistry later on in the program and the importance of that.
That's perfect,
looking forward to that.
Yeah.
First, you know it's important to keep your teeth clean, but it's also important to keep your house clean. Do you like my segue? Isn't that great? This is Chris
Very
Koenig.
smooth.
Chris Koenig from Natura Clean. How are you, Chris?
Good, how are you?
Good to have you back as always. So obviously, you know, since we've last spoken, there has been some significant flooding here in the Madison area. And there's a lot of construction replacing drywall right now, so there's probably a need for post-construction cleaning, I guess, right?
Right, there is. Anytime you're replacing drywall, you're getting dust around,
Right.
and you know, any kind of construction, this is a busy time for us. So
Yeah, absolutely. So yeah, it's kind of unfortunate that something that's kind of tragic for some people,
Right.
but you know, it's something that is a good service that you guys provide for the construction workers and for the folks who are getting the work done. So
yeah, thanks.
yeah.
Oh, I bet that's been keeping you hopping, huh?
Yeah.
Pretty busy.
Yeah.
Is there anything that you don't do because of the flooding now?
Yeah, so people have called and asked if we do like mold, if we get rid of mold,
Right.
which we don't do. You want someone who's certified. And also sewage backup, you know, because
right.
you know, there was some sewage issues, and we don't do that either. Again, you want someone that's certified. You don't want someone who, you don't want to call a cleaning company who's like, sure, we can do it, and just slap on, you know, think they can slap on some bleach and that's gonna
Right.
fix it. That's not gonna fix it. So you,
Right.
Yeah.
you need people who are certified, but we're not those people. We'll do your post-construction once the construction's done.
And let's talk just a little bit about certification, because you guys are actually an IICRC certified company. So talk to us a little bit about what that means.
Yeah, so I'm an IICRC certified home cleaning technician. So what it means is that I went through extensive training on soil removal, surfaces, and health, and then was tested independently to become certified. So what that means is we train our employees with that knowledge, and when we go into a home, we know what works. We know the science behind it. We know what's going to work on each surface. So we're not guessing. We're not coming in with a new product and trying something and then damaging a surface and then
Right.
saying, "Oops, I guess that didn't work."
Right.
We actually know the science behind it and are confident in what we do.
So important to know, and I just find that interesting. I guess if I had sewage backed up into my house, that would be the first thought that I would have is let's call a cleaning company and see if they can do it, and then I would probably just call until I found someone who would do it. But
Right.
it makes sense that you have to have somebody who's certified to do it, and that's something you're not certified to do.
Right.
But the fact that you know that shows me that you're an expert in this field. So
Yep, true. And yeah, you'd want to call a restoration company that can go in, and with mold, you would want to call
Right.
a mold remediation company.
Of
and
course.
We're
Yeah.
neither of those.
Yep.
There's people that'll do that.
There's specialty people for
Right.
that.
Right.
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 So now, am I to understand that for post-construction cleaning, usually it's the contractor that's kind of hiring out for the cleaning then?
Yeah, so it depends. So we have builders and remodelers that we work with that, when they do work, they call us. And then, some people, remodelers, I should say, don't have specific people. And so it's up to the homeowner to hire somebody. Or they might say, we clean up after ourselves, but it's kind of like, vacuuming that little pile underneath where they worked and not paying attention to the dust that gets on the vertical surfaces.
The even layer of dust everywhere. So
exactly. So you want to be aware of that. You want to talk to the builder and or remodeler and ask if that's included and what type of cleaning it is, how thorough it is. Do they hire a company? Do they do it themselves? Just ask questions to find out, is it going to be what you want? And we have a client who they just had their kitchen remodeled, and the whole time during the remodel she's like, oh no, it'll be good, it's fine, they're going to clean up after themselves. And then when it was done, she's like, no,
oh
we
my
need
God.
you here.
Right.
Chris, help.
Yeah, because that fine dust gets everywhere.
It does.
It gets on every
It really
surface.
does. Yes.
So you would definitely suggest someone, a professional, to come in after a post-construction to do a cleaning, right?
Exactly, and you want a professional that knows how to do post-construction because it's completely different from regular cleaning.
Right.
Okay. Is that a different certification then? Or?
No, it's not a different certification, but it's just a different type of cleaning that's done. You will go in and with regular cleaning, you'll go in and get things wet. With post-construction, getting something wet would be the last step you would want to do. You want to get it dry, otherwise
Right.
it turns into a
It
fine
turns into,
cement.
yeah, you've got
Right.
wet drywall all over. So,
Yeah.
it's good to know. Good to know. Well, do you have anything else going on? I mean, you're keeping busy right now during the post-flood era here in the Madison area, but do you have anything else going on right now?
Yeah, so we're still, we're looking for more clients. Also,
Sure.
we're still growing, and we'll keep growing. And we're also busy with, now that kids are back to school, people
Sure.
are realizing they need help,
Yeah.
and so we're also taking on new clients for just regular home cleanings.
Fantastic,
Yeah,
fantastic.
that's great.
Are you still looking for people to work for you, employees? Are you pretty well
We're
staffed right
actually
now?
pretty good right now. I mean,
Okay.
if people are interested, go out to our website and fill out the application, because
Sure.
we keep those on file and we'll
Sure.
contact people. But we will probably have a need in about a month. So
Sure.
yeah, definitely fill something up. But right at this exact moment, we're
Sure. So
Yeah.
keep it in mind.
Yes.
Chris from Natura Clean, thank you so much for joining
Thank
us here
you.
today. Don't go away. There's more Wisconsin Family coming up after the break, so stick around.